Hello friends, today we are going to solve one simple problem which we are facing on a daily basis while performing any calculation on a list. Because list is a heterogeneous data structure which consists of elements of all data types. And if we want to perform any arithmetic calculation on the numbers which are present inside the list, it is really difficult for us to perform because we are getting the type error because arithmetic calculation does not support the integer and the string. So the question is how to remove all the string values which are present inside a list. So this is our list. Now the user wants to calculate the sum of all the numbers which are present inside the list. But it consists of string values. Then without removing them, he or she can't perform any calculation. So how do we solve this problem? Now let's see the solution on Python. So this is the list we have. What I have done, I have made one empty list. Then take a for loop. If the type of that particular element which is present inside the list is of integer type, then I am going to append that particular element inside the empty list. Okay, then afterwards we are able to take the sum. Now let's see the output and see the list which consists of all the integer elements. So now you are able to perform any arithmetic calculation on this particular list by removing the string values or any other data type which is present inside the list by writing this simple 3 to 4 lines of program. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.